Good morning. Are you ready to go on your first flight? Are you ready? Did you just fart? How's that backpack treating you?
It's a lot of fun. Yeah.
Second floor.
I think.
Just got into San Diego. Say hi. He had a pretty good flight. We gave it a 5 out of 10. We're just getting our rental car now, and then we're off to Liberty Station, right? That's where we're going?
Yep. Once we change this guy.
Yeah, we're gonna change him and change me because he threw up so much. Just right down my shirt into my bra. Love that for me. Did you throw up on me? So much throw up. Like, so much throw up.
More than he's ever had.
Way more than he's ever had. We made it to Liberty Station. We're going right there to the public market and hopefully gonna get some lunch because we are starving. Okay, we came into this little vintage like market, but they have like a bunch of different like makers selling their stuff and the coolest stuff. Cards. These are so cute. I've been in here 2 minutes and so far I'm already getting Goodnight San Diego and then this sushi stroller book. Like, how cute is that? Okay, just got back to the car. Carlos took Luca. They're gonna go find coffee and I'm gonna do a little haul and show you guys what I got. I ended up putting that stroller book back because we have another stroller book and he doesn't even really like it. So I figured, let me not spend the money on that. I found something. I just can't even. So let me show you what I got. So I did end up getting the Goodnight San Diego book. When we went to Hawaii, we got Goodnight Lahaina Town, and they're just so cute, and he loves books. So got that. And then I found myself something. A little early birthday gift to myself, which is a necklace. And they put it in this cute little bag. It's like a layered necklace, which I typically don't like, but this one is just so cute. Like, look at the little yin yang charms, and then the top one is just like a gold chain. It's just so dainty and cute. Had to have it, really did. Before I show you this next thing, I don't even know if you guys know what Sea Hive is. I mean, I didn't until I got in there, but there's a million different like vendors who set up their products and you just can shop whatever you want. Some of the vendors are thrift vendors, so they have like vintage, like they go thrifting obviously and then like sell their stuff in there. So there's like vintage clothing, like kids clothing, just anything you can think of was in this store. So I found a little vendor who was selling vintage like kids clothes, like thrifted kids clothes. Stop it right now. These are in a size 2T, so when he is this age, we're going back to Disneyland. Look at these little vintage looking overalls. They're like little overall shorts, and they have like a Mickey patch here. And then Donald and Goofy there. Like, are you joking? They are so cute. I can't even stand it. I mean, I say they're vintage, but like, do I know? It looks like it would be. I don't know if you guys know anything about... I already lost a nail. I'm not flipping you off. I'm pissed. I just did my nails yesterday. I'm so mad. Anyway, this is what the tag looks like. They're just so cute. Like, even the buttons, I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, even the buttons have like the cutest little Mickey detail on them. Like, stop. These are just so like old school looking and so cute. I feel like I had something like this when I was little. Oh, I'm just obsessed with it. Obsessed. I can't wait for him to wear these. It is so noisy over here because the airport is right here, but yeah, that is everything I got. Also, they have multiple locations, one of which is in La Jolla, and I think we're going to La Jolla tomorrow, so I might check it out. Supposedly that location just opened, I think, yesterday. So I'm gonna check it out for sure. What did I do with that necklace? Here it is. I think right now we're just trying to kill time until we can get into the Airbnb, which I believe we get in at 3 and it's 1. So we might go just drive around. Let me show you guys. All of the planes are flying like directly over me. But yeah, I think we're gonna drive around, kill some time. We might stop in maybe a couple other shops and then head to the Airbnb. Oh yeah, we do need to also go to Target to pick up a couple things for the Airbnb, so maybe we'll do that as well. I am looking like a hot mess, but we just got to the Airbnb, and when I tell you, I've never seen a cuter little house in my whole life. I am not lying. So I'm gonna give you a little tour. We're gonna start with the backyard. So this is the little gate that we came in, and there's like a path into the backyard. Over here, there's like a little like storage shed type of situation. Over here, there is a spa with string lights, so cute. A little just area where you can just sit and relax, like a little patio area. We have a covered, just like living space. There's a TV up there, a little like sitting area, like I said, a swing, and then you walk the path. And under here, like, first of all, covered in grapes. Are you kidding me? Love that. And it's a little like covered like dinner area, like a little patio set, a barbecue. This is the front of the house. Well, like on the other side of that fence. So you can enter through these French doors, or or you can enter through this kitchen door. And I love that it's like one of those like half and half doors. I forget what they're even called, but how perfect for entertaining out here. Oh, just the cutest. Okay, get ready for the inside. Okay, so when you enter into the kitchen. First of all, that stove is goals. Love that. We have a nice fridge. Little toaster oven area with wine glasses. I love the open shelving. It's so cute. More open shelving. Stop. I mean, it's just so cute. Here's a better overview of the whole kitchen. And then from the kitchen, there's like a pantry, which is nice. There is a laundry area, and like the laundry detergent and stuff is over here. And then more storage. Nice little skylight. And then the bathroom, which is also super cute. I love the floor. This is just the cutest little house. Oh my gosh. Okay, now there's like a little dining table, little dining area, which is cute. And then look at this living room. Adorable. And for some reason, oh, I love the ceilings. And the raised ceilings are so cute. Look at this little staircase.
You gotta open it up and just show it right there.
What are you doing? I know. Okay, and then there's a bedroom downstairs, which is probably where we will sleep. Just a nice bedroom, hey. And then there is a pretty big closet. And I like that they have like a baby bath and like a little, I think that might be a high chair type situation. I actually don't know. But she said we could use all of that. And then in here is like a storage closet. So I actually have not been upstairs yet, so we can go explore that together. All right, let's go upstairs. Oh, it's so cute. It's just like a little like loft. Oh my God, it's so hot up here. Holy crap, it's hot. But how cute. So you come up, it's just another bedroom pretty much. Got a nice sized bed, a little seating area, desk, window to spy on the neighbors. Just kidding. And then look. Woo, it's hot up here. I just turned the air on up here. Each like living area has their own AC in it. So that's probably the only downfall, is there's definitely no central heat and air. But you know what? I mean, this house is so freaking cute. I cannot even stand it. I would love to own a house like this. This is so cute. Good morning and happy July 18th, my 31st birthday. 34. Like, how is that possible? Last night we just ordered food in and just had a chill night because this guy was just a little bit cranky. All my nails came off, as you guys can see. I did the worst job doing my nails the other day. That's okay though. I'm in the back of the car right now. I just put SPF on. I'm about to do my makeup. We are on our way to the La Jolla Cliffs. They're not called the La Jolla Cliffs. I don't even know. I forget what the name of the place is. It's like a specific place that is unreal. I've posted it on my channel before. I've posted it to Instagram before. They are just, it's just a breathtaking view. So we're on our way there. I'm just trying to get myself put together a little bit. Carlos is inside of this coffee shop right here getting us just a little bite to eat and some coffee. Let's go to the cliffs because this guy, what's the matter? Hey, what's the matter? Anyway, I'm gonna take care of this cranky boy. He cannot fall asleep sitting still. So because we're not moving in the car, he's unable to sleep. So hopefully Carlos hurries up and then we are on our way. Oh, I'm so sad. The place, like the cliffs that I've been going to since I was 15, they're closed and possibly for good, which is such a bummer. So Carlos and I are trying to find a different place we can go, like look at the water, but it's not really looking too good. So I just checked one place out right now and I think it's gonna be like a super far walk, and with Luca, that's just not a good idea. So we're gonna try to find maybe like a lookout point or something, but we shall see. So we found just like a little scenic area. Nothing like that first one that was closed, but it'll do. It's still, there's a lizard. I'm so scared. Good morning, it's the next day. I did the worst job vlogging yesterday, you guys. Like, it was so bad. We ended up going to Little Italy for lunch. We went to Not Tacos, which if you guys know, you know. Any of you guys watch Sam the Cooking Guy? Love him. So we went to his place, Not Tacos. They were pretty good. And then we went to Old Town San Diego and looked around a while there. And then just honestly hung out at the Airbnb for the rest of the night. Today we are packed up in the car. As you can see, Carlos is in getting us coffee. Okay, I had to switch over to my phone because my battery just died and I did not bring any extra batteries, of course. Also, I put a towel in the window because it was so sunny. We're going to the beach today. I think we're gonna go to Coronado Beach, and it's gonna be Mr. Luca's first time at the beach. Now, if you guys don't know, I am a huge beach gal. I grew up around water in the water. It didn't matter what body of water it was, ocean, river, lake, pond, don't care, I'm in it. Like, I love the water so much, so I really want him to experience and love the water as well. It's gonna be obviously probably too cold for him to like actually swim, but just him dipping his toes in and playing in the sand will be so much fun. So that's what we're doing. So hopefully we'll be at the beach in about 30 to 45 minutes.
You're gone now, will you call me back? Yeah, I know that, yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that.